What's the difference between an Amazon brand store and a storefront? My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. And in this video, I'll break down the differences. There's a little bit of confusion with this because the way that Amazon released some of these features over time, and then they don't really educate or teach people what the difference is between some of these. So most people, when they think of a brand store on Amazon, they're thinking of this link right here. And when you click that, it brings up your brand store, which you need brand registry for. And in here, you can put lots of different things. You can put videos, you can link to various different products, add to cart features, banners, large images like this. A lot of different things you can do with this. It's actually kind of like a recreation of your website as well, because you get a drop down of these various different options where you can click in. So if I wanted to have a section for soaps, just like you have on a website, you're recreating that header app, so to speak. There's also Amazon social posts that show up here. So if you're not taking advantage of social posts, you're missing out. This is thousands of free impressions. PPC costs are just out of control. And so an opportunity to take advantage of free impressions, you never want to miss out on that. All right, so that's the brand store. Going back to the main product display page, or PDP, right here, we clicked last on the store, or the brand store, but there's also this buy box section over here with the ships and sold by Age of Sage. Now, when you click on that, you get to the seller profile. By the way, I do have a video on how to load a logo right here in this section. Check out that next. But when you click on visit the Age of Sage storefront, which by the way, pretty much no customers are doing this, but when you click on that, that is, here we are in a technical Amazon storefront. This is different from your brand store, which you need brand registry for. But this storefront is pulling in a marketplace ID. And this is something that has pretty much always existed on the Amazon platform. To my knowledge, in the last 10 years, it's always existed. And consumers are not trained to come here. But the reason why I'm showing this is because I often see the vernacular thrown around a little bit in a brand store and a storefront. Well, the technical terms are, this is a brand store and this is the storefront. So now you know, you're a little bit wiser, and you understand the technical difference. Inside of the storefront, couple of fun facts. Here, you're going to list out all of the brands on the account. So if you're selling 1,000 brands, you'll see a laundry list of these. If you sell one brand, you only see one brand. So I've got Age of Sage, Holstit, Momster, and Jobst currently active at this time. Now, it does default rank these for the most part based on which items have the highest selling velocity. So if you're trying to figure out from a competitor which item is their best, and you come here, you're going to quickly find out that my Sage Sticks probably are turning the most units. I even have an Amazon's Choice badge, followed by my soaps. Got some Forever Roses there, and a cool Grogu tumbler, as well as some other random accessories and objects as we scroll further down. So that gives you an idea of what velocities are selling best. You can always validate this with a tool like Helium 10 and come in and click in the X-ray to see what some of these sales look like. You can get 20% off Helium 10 by using promo code StephenPope6M20. We'll put a link to this at the top of the description. I am a big fan of Helium 10. They have some of the most accurate data and the ability to see like what's selling, and you can X-ray, you can track your keywords. A lot of good information available within that tool. There is nothing that you need to do to create a storefront. It's already automatic. All your items will automatically show up there, but you will need to load the logo manually. That is the only thing you need to set up for your storefront to look a little bit better. There's no customization. Whereas that brand store, you have the world is your oyster. So many different things you can do here. And by the way, my first video I ever launched on YouTube years ago, my most popular video was how to create a brand storefront on Amazon. And back then there weren't as many features, but that video's really hold up the test of time. So if you haven't made a brand store yet before, please check out this video next. You'll really enjoy it. Thanks so much.